Okay guys, when you change the screen touch of your mobile, you can see this is the condition. Here is the glue. It's a medium viscosity B7000. It's a glue that you can use to stick this screen touch of your mobile. So previously it will be stick to it, but when you change it, that glue will go away, so you have to use the new glue. Even you can use this glue for your mobile cell phone if you have some problem with your screen touch attachment, so you're using it for a long time and you can see some of the gap like this. Water can enter inside, so you can use this glue. It's a medium because it is B7000. You'll get it in a nearby store. I bought it for around $2. Now let me show you how to use this. So in order to use this, at first you just clean the surface. Okay, all this surface where you use this glue, just beside this screen touch glass to stick it. So clean it properly. There should not be any kinds of residue or the dust, and the surface needs to be dry. So open it first. After using it, again you just put this pin back so that air won't enter inside. Now I'm just going to put it all the side properly. After using it, as soon as possible, we are not using it now, just put the pin back and close it. You can see I did put glue all the side properly. Now just stick it, just push it back slowly, so you can see the glue is everywhere. So put the pressure for 1 to 2 minutes. Okay guys, once you're done, you can see it's all the fine. You can ready to use. So you have to put the pressure for around 1 to 2 minutes, and then after it's going to take around 12 to 48 hours. It will be so tight. So this is the way how you use this glue. Be sure to hit the like button, subscribe and comment. I'll catch you in the next tutorial with another great stuff. Have a good day.